Okay, here's the trail that we need to be on in order to get our Jasmer cache. I do qualify. Well, color me confused. I'm right at the tree that the cache title is.
Are you ready?
Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? I'm out at the Grindstone Nature Area in Columbia, Missouri, looking for 3 geocaches that involve hiking. Let's go track all 3 of these down. Here we go. All right, today's first cache is a very special trip to this area because I have to get the Missouri Jasmer cache that is here, and I'm headed to Kansas City, so I decided to stop here for that very special Jasmer cache. If you don't know much about the Jasmer challenge, basically you have to fill in your grid for every year starting with May 2000 and find 1 cache for every year of every month since geocaching has started. I do qualify, and I'm actually 1 cache away from getting a double Jasmer. The most Jasmer caches you can get, the most times you can fill your Jasmer is 4. This is a regular size container. I'm maybe, I don't know if it's an ammo box. I don't know anything about it. Hey, there's a cool creek right here though. Of course, my go-to answer for every cache is an ammo box. I overgeneralized that, but who knows? 200 feet to go. I'm staring at a rock ledge. Somewhere the cache is up there. How do I get up there though? What's the best approach? Maybe just climb right up it. I don't know if that's gonna be possible. Very steep. Maybe up there. Looks promising. We got it. We're here. I scrambled up the rock ledge, but I went the easy way up. I didn't go vertical up. But this will be a very short search. Kabing! Oh, it's not an ammo box, but it is a something else. Whoa. Look at this thing. This thing has got all kinds of stuff in it. It's got travel bugs in it. It's got an old slinky. It's got bubbles. It has path tags. It's got the log sheet. It's got a Smurf. Whoa. This thing is loaded with goodies. Got to cross the creek. You know, it's chilly today. It's got to be like 35 degrees this morning. It's ridiculously cold. What is this? Huh. I don't know. It looks like some sort of old... Oh my gosh, there's a well. Looks like some sort of old foundation of an old building, maybe. Not sure. It's cool though. All right, cache number 2 for today. Was placed in April of 2004. So that makes it a California fizzy cache, but I don't need it. It's beautiful here. Colors are off the chains. It's just, like I said, it's just really cold. But I guess that's to be expected at the end of October. So far, so good. Let's see if we can grab the second cache. You know, just in case you weren't sure where the trail is, There's a marker here that tells you the trail is right over here. I mean, you can see the trail. All right, we're about 40 feet away. This is a regular box. We were in the wrong area, but I quickly spotted this area over here, and that led me right here to the geocache. All right. Look at the size of this. It's not an ammo box. Hey, there's a little thing on here. This is some sort of bigger container. Don't know. But I like it because it's not a micro in the woods. Okay, cache number 3 for the video. Last one. We are headed to December of 2002 for this next one. Going downhill, which is nice. You know, sometimes I think going uphill is actually easier because going downhill is tough on your knees. So, but it lets you catch your breath. This place is awesome. This is another stop, you know, I've never been. So, I'm always looking to explore, and I love finding hidden gems like this one. It's great. The fall leaves are amazing. We're here at cache number 3. Just got into the woods. Nothing. Well, color me confused. I'm right at the tree that the cache title is. Hint says it's at the base of a nearby tree. Okay, I was looking for some sort of big shiny box. It's not. But I did find a pair of sunglasses. Whoever wants them, they're all yours. I was looking for a red bison tube right here. This is not a regular size cache. This might even be orange. Let me know if you think this is orange or red. But that's the cache. It's kind of disappointing. Like I said, I was hoping I was looking for a big box. I would classify this as a small container, not a regular. Alright guys, this is a great view of the bridge right back here as we're going to wrap up this weekend adventure. If you're not a Geocaching with Triple P subscriber yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps me reach my new sub goal of 85 subs. I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.